How to fix external DVD drive is not working in Windows 11. Hello friends, if your external DVD is readable and has nothing issue, still it is not being played on your computer, then follow those steps. Open a browser and type VLC, download, press enter, click on this link, click on download VLC. Once downloading is completed, click on this exe file, click on next, next, again click on next to complete the installation. Click on finish. On VLC media player, click on media here on the menu bar. Select open disk. In this section for disk devices, click on browse. Go to this PC, select the external disk here and click on play. The external DVD drive will be played and the issue will be fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.